Surf fishing demands gear that blends backbone, sensitivity, and durability to handle long-distance casts, abrasive saltwater exposure, and hard-fighting fish from shorelines. A travel-friendly multi-piece design can be a huge plus for anglers who move between locations or travel light, while carbon fiber blanks generally improve sensitivity and weight. In this review, I tested 5 surf-focused rods from 3 brands. FibLink, 2 models.
List number 1. FibLink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod Carbon Travel Surf Rod. This FibLink model line emphasizes travel convenience with multi-piece configurations 2-3-4 and carbon fiber blanks designed for sensitivity, strength, and long-range surf casting. Features include stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts, a high-strength reel seat, and textured shrink tube grips for wet conditions. The blue aesthetic and silicone and EVA components aim to balance durability with comfort for coastal sessions. The spec sheet notes a 9-foot length in the one-piece listing, 9 feet single length, with a moderate fast action and a 30-pound line weight, suggesting it targets medium-heavy surf work with ample reserve for big waves or rocky terrain. Performance-wise, the carbon blank and quality guides should translate to responsive bite detection and smooth line flow during long casts, aided by the stainless steel guides designed to dissipate heat and minimize friction. The one-piece representation in the specs contrasts with its travel-friendly 2-3-4-piece configurations, which can affect fore-aft balance and tip timing when broken down. In practical use, anglers will benefit from the secure wheel seat and the cushioned grips that stay tractable in wet conditions. However, connector ferrules and multi-piece setups may introduce slightly more play than a dedicated one-piece rod, potentially affecting sensitivity and power transfer.
List number 2. FibLink Surf Fishing Rod Portable. This FibLink travel-oriented model emphasizes portability with 2-3-4-piece configurations across longer lengths, 9 feet, 10 feet, 12 feet, 13 feet, and 15 feet, using carbon fiber blanks and stainless steel guides with ceramic inserts. The color is green and the setup highlights an X-Wrap EVA fore and rear grip for wet conditions, plus an ergonomic wheel seat with a stainless steel hood. Weight is listed around 0.34 kilograms, underscoring lightness for long sessions or plane travel, and it aligns with a moderate fast action and a 30-pound line rating for versatile saltwater casting. In practice, the combination of lightweight and strong carbon blanks should deliver quick tip response and efficient energy transfer for long casts. The split grip and EVA fore and rear grips are designed to maintain grip in wet, sandy conditions, though traveler models can exhibit slightly more flex at the ferrule junctions compared with premium one-piece rods. For beach or rocky shore use, this rod's balance and sensitivity pair well with mid-range reels, while the 2-3-4-piece construction makes airline travel feasible without.
List number 3. Sugai Surf Fishing Rod Combo. Sugai presents a 3-piece surf rod combo featuring a medium-heavy power rating, an 11-foot rod length, and a 4,000 size bait feeder reel. The package emphasizes travel convenience, breaking down into 3 sections for easy transport while delivering a sturdy reel and rod pairing. Included components are a reel and rod with a 4.7:1 gear ratio noted for the reel. The combo is positioned as a cost-effective, travel-ready solution that suits both beginners and experienced anglers looking for a ready-to-fish setup. Performance-wise, the 11-foot length and medium-heavy rating are well-suited for medium to large saltwater species from the beach or jetty, providing solid casting distance and fish fighting leverage. The bait feeder reel can help with live bait or controlled drags, though its performance will hinge on the quality of bearings and the pinion gear. Given the 3-piece design and aluminum graphite construction, expect reasonable durability for travel and weekend trips. However, the overall system may lag behind dedicated high-end setups in terms of precision and long-term saltwater resilience.
List number 4. FibLink Surf Spinning Fishing Rod 2-piece. This FibLink model focuses on a classic 2-piece graphite travel rod design, available in 12-foot and 10-foot options, marketed under the Moon Sniper line. It emphasizes high-sensitivity, lightweight graphite construction with ceramic-insulated stainless steel guides, a non-slip rubber shrink tube handle, and corrosion-resistant reel seat. The 11-foot claim appears in other listings, But this entry highlights 10-foot and 12-foot travel versions with a fast action and 30-pound line weight rating, suitable for long casts and big fish scenarios along the coast. In practice, the graphite build contributes to nimble handling and quick feel, aiding bite detection and energy transfer during long beach casts. The two-piece design is ideal for travelers who want a compact pack but still expect near one-piece performance. The combination of guides and hook keeper compatibility with saltwater exposure is favorable, though users should consider ferrule fitment and retightening after use in salty environments to
List number 5. Berkley Big Game Spinning Fishing Rod. Berkley's Big Game Spinning Rod is a fiberglass blend model designed to deliver durability and reliable performance on a budget. The 8-foot length with a 12 to 30-pound line rating and a 1 to 4-ounce lure range targets larger saltwater species and shore-based fishing. The rod uses a fiberglass construction with a graphite reel seat and EVA handle, complemented by titanium oxide guides. As a two-piece rod, it aims to balance cost, ruggedness, and ease of transport while maintaining a capable action for big game pursuits from the shore. Performance-wise, the fiberglass blank provides dependability and torque under heavy loads, though it trades some sensitivity and weight for durability. The medium-heavy action and 8-foot length enables solid casting distance and leverage against large fish, like catfish, striped bass, or bluefish from the surf. The 6-guide setup and fiberglass build increase toughness, but may feel heavier during extended sessions. Anglers seeking a budget-friendly, sturdy option for occasional big-game surf fishing will find this model appealing, especially when paired with compatible reels.